As second-year students, we have only at that point had 2 other design studios, so we really got that hands-on experience. So this project was closer to a real-life work environment. We went to Paris community meetings for this project. We met with people, and Bill was a really great contact because he was able to bring so many people from his community in and really involve us in a way that we had never experienced before.
The class was site design, so this was a perfect study project for us because of the impact of the environment, the impact in the neighborhood, the impact in the city. Huge game-changing opportunities to study. And then they have the opportunity of taking this experience forward into their professional lives and their personal lives. So it was just much bigger than I expected, and it was a lot more fun too.
Seeing the communities actually take our work and actually be put into an actual plan that they can use and to grow their community means a lot to me, and it just solidifies what landscape architecture really is, and it's like a clicking moment for me that, wow, this is really what I want to do, and I get to help people in communities that need it.
My favorite thing about this project is it really has shown the power of collaboration, and the University of Kentucky students has been so critical their piece in that. They were able to take that desire from the community and develop some fantastic plans, and we've been able to use those concept designs to pull the neighborhood back together and say, let's really vision for what's next.
We started the design process by drawing on the community's needs and really facilitating on those ideas, coming up with drawings, doing different software programs, modeling things, and just really creating a vision. Everyone had different ideas about what to do, but really we knew that this project was just important to bring together the Paris community and provide something that was really going to be influential and really make a difference.
The students wanted to come down and use this as a project and a study. So they came and they were excited, really excited. They brought their drones, they took pictures, they walked the facility and went all around and did all that. And then probably anywhere between 3 to 5 months later, here we have these 10 drawings, and all of them are just phenomenal and exceptional. And we never expected to get something like this from architect students. Those drawings were just amazing. I had never seen anything like that. And then they said, you can have these. And now we are using those with the National Park District to put together a facility over here and to do this from these drawings that they've done.
I think none of my classmates and I knew the impact that we would have or that we would be standing here today. There always needs to be a catalyst for a project to start, and we were just really happy to be that for this project.
It's amazing to watch and see, and the communities love it. They love to see the students' energy. They love to see the students build something or imagine something that they had no idea could have even happened in that neighborhood. But the collaborations, the ideas that come from other people help us hone in on what others want and what others need. And those needs are very important to how we formulate our creative design.
Landscape architecture is everything. It really is a breathing profession. We have to be able to work with people, we have to be able to work with the environment, we have to know, about soils and how to grade a site, but we also have to know how to understand what people's needs are and then how to mesh that with the needs of the environment. And if you were to just draw a pretty picture that had nothing to do with what people needed, it wouldn't serve any purpose. So really understanding others and having empathy for everyone's experiences is the foundation of what we do.